And let me just open the document. Hello.
Yeah,
Okay.
you can start.
Okay. So, hello, sir. Uh, our group consists of me, Kushbu Shetkar, Shabri Teli, and Emmanuel Virudu. Our roll numbers are 1851, 1852, and 1857. So, our project was about a location-based treasure hunt game, in which it is basically a game in which players search for hidden clues. They will give the user some clues, and based on the clue, the um, user has to know the location and confirm the location by going to that particular location. For the demo purpose, we are using an app known as Fake GPS Go, in which we are faking our current location and using that particular the changed location for the app for the demonstration purpose. Now, there will be in the app in the game there are for each there are basically three localities that we are using, that is Sholim, that is my area, Saklim, that is Shabri's area, and Goa University, that is Emmanuel's area. So from each locality we have multiple locations, as in their latitudes and longitudes, and clues uh, clues uh, clues corresponding to that those particular locations. So those are stored in the database, and as and when the user goes ahead, the next locations are retrieved based on the locality. So this app also stores the total score of each user, so that the any of the user can check the highest score or his position on the scoreboard. So now we'll quickly discuss the contribution that each one of us did, and Emmanuel will start first.
Okay. Thank you very much, Fishbo. Okay, so sir, good good afternoon to you. Online database. So first of all, I had to try and connect the app. I first had to design the login using the username and the password and the registration aspect, whereby we take input from the user. That is the name of the user, the username of the user, then the password he or she desires to use. Then I try to connect that input that has been given, or try to connect that app to a local host database first to see whether it can be done. So when we were able to do that aspect, then we had to migrate the database from the local host to an online database where the database was stored online, and we had to write some few PHP files to help retrieve or fetch data, and at the same time help put data into the or insert data into the database. So that is what I was in charge of, and I had to also provide some views to uh, be able to get some locations on Goa University. So that is what I did. So for the past 2 or 3 demos, I have been illustrating those connectivity I did. So for today, I won't illustrate that one, as Kushbu will take us through the final app, as in the final product. So Shabri will continue from here. Thank you.
So, sir, I'm going to explain about the layouts which I made. So, this is a slide screen. Our app name is Treasure Web. So, this is the main page, that is either the user has to register, login, or play as a guest. So, if you register, you go to a register page, you enter a details, and then you have to submit it. Then you get to go back to the main page. So, this is the main page where everything from here on the game starts. Going back, there's a login button and there's a login layout. So this is a login layout. In order to log in, you have to enter username and password. You have to log in and get back to the main page again. So yeah, that's all. Play as guest option was edited later. So a play of guest also gives comes up to the same layout. Then we have a score. We have levels which are shown, that is retrieved from database. We have a username. So here the username will be popping out. After clicking on it, you'll get a page wherein your details will be there. You can log out here or you can go back. Next, when you click on, so this is a help button. So this is all about the game. This is about, that is what the game is about. So next, if I click on new game, then I get to this page, that is start. These are some of the animations which are used. After clicking on start, I get to select the location, which the database is not linked here, so I'm just doing the layout part. So I choose Goa University, I submit, and then I get the clue. So this is just a random clue which will be selected from the database. Then you will get a pop-up map. That part is done by Kushbu. So after clicking let's go, if the answer is correct, you get this page. And if we continue it, then I get the second clue. So this was about the correct answer. But if the answer is wrong, then I get this page, and then I have to exit it. Then I come back to the main page. So this was all about layout part.
Yeah, so now I'll quickly tell what part I did and then demonstrate the whole working of the project. For my part, I gathered some locations and clues for Sholem area. Then also implementation of getting the current location and comparing it with the saved location, and also showing the location over the map, and overall working of the app and merging the files